YouTube, it is another episode for my niece's build on her Mini 50. In today's episode, we're going to redo the seat. So this will be a little tutorial on how to do your seat. It's pretty quick and easy. You're going to need obviously a seat cover and a staple gun. And possibly some pliers and a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips. And that's it. Cue the intro. Okay, so we're going to take our Phillips here and we're going to undo the screws that are right here holding all the plastics onto the seat. Great. Lost the screw. Whoa. Side covers are off. Yeah. Okay, set our screws aside. We got ourselves a mini seat. So next what we want to do is we want to go ahead and pull up all the staples as much as possible. So I'm going to grab a flathead and try to wiggle underneath and be able to pull them up. Alright, some of these are pretty rusted, so they may just snap on me, but we'll see what we can do. Oh, shit. Try pliers. Only 100 more to go. Be working pretty well. Get the corner of my flathead. And twist to pry up half the nail. Staple. This way now I can actually grab and pull. Easy, easy. 1, 2, 3. Bing bop boop, work my way around. Bing bop beep, beep boop 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 boop. You don't really want to put a seat cover over another seat cover just because it could slide around more, tear and whatnot, and it just won't look as good. So you want to look as good as possible. Pull them all around. So now I'm just going to pull them up, half with the flathead. Pop, 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 pop. Alrighty, carefully peel off. You got yourself an uncovered seat. Fantastic. Keep this just in case the other seat gets teared. I have a backup to go to. Now I'm gonna go grab the new seat cover. Now this new seat cover is from Amazon. It's an Amazon special. It's a universal. And what that means is it's oversized. And that's quite okay. I'd rather have extra. It's nicely made. Stretches well. It's double stitched all the way through. It's got the nice seat grippies. I'm going to utilize having these in the center of the seat, and then I'll have the excess go around on the flip side. So again, it's not 100% stock for 50s. It is just oversized, but I like that, having the rib here and the seat on the outside. Good way to eyeball. So I'll have a seat up here, gripper seat, and then about an inch or so on the back side. Alright, so I'm going to carefully fold this under so I don't lose my spot. And I'm going to place one staple just to hold me down. Right, next I'm going to pull tight, start making my way around to the outside corner here. Okay, so I readjusted my staples to the front and the back because I was going a little off even, a little off kilter. now I think we're good. All right, so I grabbed my scissors. I'm just gonna cut some of this excess because we're not gonna be needing all of this. All right, so now that we've slimmed it down a little bit, it's gonna be a little bit easier, more manageable. Nice and tight. Pull, pull, pull. Back and forth. Just want to keep working at it. Kind of adding and removing staples just to get the waves out of there. I want to make it as perfect as possible. Really liking the back side. It's just a little wedge area here that I'm working on now. Once you got it where you like it, you just add the staples all around. It's a little difficult to get this little bump out. I made it as tight as I possibly could. I'm really loving the back of the seat. Folded over very nice when that's on the bike. I did some overlap. So now what I'm doing is just cutting back some of the excess material so I can get to the screw points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Reload, reload. Reload, reload.
Voila, there you go. One perfect custom pink seat. Got the gripper seat so she don't slide off the back. Join us one step closer to being 100% complete. Not bad for a little 50 though. Continuing on with the pink theme. Well, that's today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Enjoy the weekend. I'll see you next time, alright? Peace!